Hello viewers and welcome back to the Dholuo English Dictionary channel. If you're new here, please press the subscribe button so that you never miss a video that we post when we post. Now today I'm going to talk about birds, and I've done my research on very many birds, so I hope you'll enjoy this session. To start with, birds are called wing. Wing. That's many birds. One bird is called winyo. Winyo. So we want to learn about wing and winyo. The first one is called achut. Achut. Now achut is divided into two. There is a small small vulture is called nyasibondo. Nyasibondo, and the large vulture is called nasilong. Nasilong. So achut nyasibondo is a small vulture. Achut nyasilong, large vulture. Second one is agak. Agak. Agak is a crow. Agak. Third quail is aluru. Aluru. The flamingo is called aturkenda. Aturkenda. Flamingo. Aturkenda. The heron is called manaha. 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 Some people say mnaha. They don't pronounce the A. So manaha, mnaha. The parrot is called ngili. Ngili. That's a parrot. And then the dove, some people say the pigeon. I don't know whether it's the same thing, Manuel. It's called akuru. Akuru. That's the dove or the pigeon. An ostrich is udo. Udo. That's an ostrich. Udo. Not do. Udo. Guinea fowl, awendo. Awendo. Guinea fowl, awendo. An eagle is ongo. Ongo. That's an eagle. Ongo. A hawk is otenga. Otenga. Some people say otenga. Some people say otenga. Otenga. Hawk. A weaver bird, osogo. But the full name is Osogo nyalela. Osogo nyalela. But if you say osogo, that's fine. Osogo. Ataki, mbata misinga. Mbata misinga. Mbata misinga. Nikki, you're making noise. A sparrow is abang chiet. Abang chiet. That's a sparrow. Abang chiet. Which one is this? A ground hornbill is arum tidi. Arum tidi. That's a ground hornbill. A partridge is ayuer. Ayuer. That's a partridge. Partridge. Nikki, stop making noise, please. A duck is atudo. Atudo. That's a duck. Finch, ochimbo. Ochimbo. Finch. Now, a woodpecker is telltale. Some people say Maria, but some people say telltale. So there's telltale and there is Maria. And crested crane is Ongowang. Ongowang. That's a crested crane. Ongowang. White egret is Okok. Okok. That's a white egret. Then there is the lakeshore egret, the one that eats a lot of fish around the freshwater lakes. It's called Okognam. Okognam. Nam is the lake. So Okognam. Marabou stock is Kingong, Kingong or Singong. Marabou stock. Kingong or Singong. Striped kite is Kliti. Kliti or Olith. Kliti or Olith. The hen, the one you eat at the restaurant, is called Gueno. Gueno. The geese, Oyoyo. Oyoyo. That's a geese. And titmouse is called Oyundi. Oyundi. I hope you enjoyed this session. If you enjoyed this session, please give it a thumbs up. Share the videos with your friends so that they also know about this. And if I did not touch on any of the birds that you know, please put it in the comment section. I'll make another video to complement this video. Otherwise, for now, peace. Kwe.